Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm sharing a simple yet delicious way to prepare baby potatoes. Me and my wife eat this way and spoil ourselves time to time instead of eating those cooked elsewhere or takeout ones. Anyway, it's a quick side dish you can serve next to a main meal or enjoy as a snack in front of the TV. And trust me, it's far better than anything you'd buy from outside. So let's get started. First, I start by cleaning the baby potatoes really well. Since we're keeping the skins on, it's important to scrub them properly. Once they're clean, I move on to boiling. I boil them just until they're soft enough. The fork should go in easily but without potatoes falling apart. Overcooking makes them too mushy and we don't want that. When they reach the right texture, I take them out and let them cool down. It took me around 20-25 minutes to cook them the way I want. Now, while the potatoes are waiting their turn, let's prepare the sauce. I also set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, only the top heat, for nice and golden finish. Now, I take a small pan and add some real butter, then a little olive oil to balance it out. Next, I add 2-3 squeezed garlic, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, red hot pepper, and dried basil. It's simple but full flavor. I mix everything while heating, just until the aroma starts coming out. Since we crushed the potatoes, they will absorb the sauce better. I'm making sure every piece gets coated with sauce. I also sprinkled some dill on top of the potatoes before cheese. Cheese also added on top. Now everything goes straight into the oven. I let them cook for about 10-15 minutes, just until the tops are beautifully golden. And that's it. A simple, delicious way to enjoy baby potatoes. Now let's plate them up, guys. Also, don't forget to add some fresh dill on top, Soft inside, perfectly cooked on top, and packed with flavor. If you tried a simple but tasty recipe, please send your comments. I would really appreciate hearing from you. Bon appétit, everyone!